Here's the FCI panel. Here's a Gentex speaker strobe. And they have this weird security panel. If you can hardly see that right there, that's a motion detector. And right over there, you can see that kind of thing. That's a motion detector. And I think that's a system sensor smoke detector. I think that's what it is. There's another Gentex Commander speaker strobe. And down in the bathrooms, there's like I think it's a Spectre ceiling speaker strobe. Here's a Gentex speaker strobe. Another one. There's no other one over there.
Get your motor running with high-speed outdoor go-kart racing.
And if you guys see that, there's another Gentex one.